Hey all, this is Mr. Hammond, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can turn your Google Slides into something that looks and essentially feels like a website. So you might want to use this if you are interested in making a website, but you're just intimidated by what it would take to actually build it. If you're familiar with building Google Slides, it's maybe not quite as an intimidating process. It's a little bit easier to set it up and include the links and make it look nice, like similar to what you see here. Thank you, Miss Lynn Smith, for sharing this. And actually, another slide that I'm going to share, she put together something that she uses similar to what I'm going to share with you today. So with this particular slideshow that I have, it's a choice board activity. I want it to feel like a website, so I don't want all the frames around it. So to do this, we are going to go to the File menu. We're going to Publish to Web, and then you're going to see this yellow Publish button. So if I click on that Publish button, it's going to give me a link. So that link I can push Control C, and just so you can see what it looks like from a user perspective, we'll go ahead and enter that into the browser, and you can see this just essentially really just looks and feels like a website. Now if I close out the URL bar, it essentially takes up the whole screen. So I can click on anything from here. So if I want to, for this activity, I can click on Mystery Science. I can click back to get back to the activity. So it really feels like a website, like an interactive website, essentially. So that this might be one reason that you would use this. Another reason that you might use this, if you are like me, you may have tried to with Google Slides, present and try to find a way to write over the content. And there, at least at that time, there was not a great way to write over the content of a Google slide. However, if it is in a URL form, you can actually write over it using things like Webpaint, for example, and that's in my one of my recommended extensions. But Webpaint does not work writing over Google Slides when you're in presentation mode. So it was a challenge to show, to utilize the whole screen when you're presenting. And then another way that you could utilize this is with regards to an app. So you could actually not just make this look and feel like a website, but you could make it look and feel like an app. So similar to what you see here with Miss Smith's class. Again, thank you for sharing this. So if you pull this up on your phone, well, first, I want to make sure I don't get ahead of myself. We want to make sure this is published to the web, and then we take this link and we will copy it. I'm going to paste it into the browser. And the orientation on the web page is it's not going to utilize the whole screen, but this will work really well on your phone. I actually tried this out earlier. So it takes up the whole phone screen. So anywhere you click on this app, it will take you to whatever Ms. Smith has set up to connect to that. So pretty cool idea. So just some ideas of how you might be able to build your own site, essentially, pretty easily, or even build your own app using Google Slides. If you have any questions on this or anything else, please let me know. Thanks.